Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de, and this is the MSI M800, a robot vacuum cleaner. Let's have a look how he cleans everything, and you see he can't fall off the stairs. And the cool thing is that he can find his own charger. The white thing is the charging station, and you see he will find it and he will charge himself. So it will be indicated by this red LED. And this is the smaller brother of the M800. As you can see, he doesn't fall off the stairs or the table either. So this was my video of the MSI M800, a robot vacuum cleaner. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and visit my website NewGadgets.de for more gadgets. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and thank you for watching.